Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle and this is Makeup or Breakup Vlog. And today I'm so excited to be featuring FabFitFun, their summer box for 2021. And I already am loving. Look at these cute little stickers. Aren't they so cute? Wow. Step into the sun, my friends. Let's see what's in here. And I'm also loving this. Do you see the detail on this box? There's ice cream cones, popsicles, and beach balls, and sunglasses on here. Isn't that cute? Like right up there. You see them, right? So cute. And of course, we can't get through this box unless we go through the brochure. Kind of has those shells or something. This is from Barefoot Scientist. Never heard of that company. So let's just see. Let's just say this wasn't something I picked, so I'm curious to know what this company does. I'm assuming it's for the feet. This is from the company SOAR. Ooh, look at that. You know what that is? That is a lighter for like your phone, your pad, your tablet, or your laptop. Clip-on selfie ring light. Now, does that appear in here? Okay, this is weird. I do not see that in here either. What's going on? Okay, beautiful, practical. On to the next thing. Okay, this is, do you see that? I don't know what that is. This is called a reusable makeup swab. Really? Reusable? Oh my goodness. Again, I'm looking here to see what's in the box. Blah, blah, blah. And I don't see this either. This is making me kind of like, what? And I think the company's name's Erica or Erica. I'm intrigued by the concept of a reusable makeup swab. So that's how they look. And I'm gonna keep going. Oh, this is cute. This is from Ciate London, and this is their Watermelon Burst Setting Spray. What? And again, I'm looking in here. Oh, here, I finally found one that matches up. And this is the watermelon, but this was in customization 4. Interesting. So I got something that finally shows up in the brochure. I'm excited about this watermelon burst. Okay. I'm sure it smells absolutely yummy. But let's see what's inside, shall we? Yeah, why not? Real quick. Ooh, this is ooh, it's cute. Should I spray it? Why not? That's the bottle here. It's cute. I like the presentation. I'm just gonna do it at a distance. Oh, definitely watermelon. It smells so good. Like summer. Like summer. Something from Eyeshadow. I don't know if we could see that here. There we go, Eyeshadow. Let me see if this shows up in, it does not. Okay. And this has, it looks like a pencil sharpener and something called a double act shadow stick. Okay. Innovating, effortless beauty, empowering confidence. Discover the full range at eyeshadow.com/fff.list. I get their eyeliner, sometimes their mascara from time to time. It's pretty good. Let's see what else we have here. Ooh, okay. This is Tarte C. And I believe this may be Their Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. Okay, so that's in here. And that was in customization 2. Now to open this beauty so you can see what it looks like real quick. Packaging is similar to the rest of the line. Okay, let's see how it looks inside. Oh, it has the logo on there, as you can see. And I'm just gonna open it here. Oh, and it smells gorgeous. It smells like the sea. It smells like a lemony slice with some lime. That's how it looks, kind of like a jelly. That's the rest of it. And it's clear. That's nice. I'll just take a little. It's thick, but it's a gel. Very nice. Okay. Definitely gonna need more on that. What else? My goodness, I still have more stuff to go through. Let's see. These look like what I'm wearing now. Aren't these cute? I think they're supposed to block blue light, right? It's from the brand Nectar. That makes sense. These are really cute. This is what I would wear. Wow. Okay. Let me just take these off real quick. Yeah, I see that it's for the blue light. Slightly has a tint to it. Okay. Interestingly, they don't put the pricings on these. I have to look those up, I guess. Oh. What's this? I don't know, but it looks very summery. This is a tote of some kind. This is from Society 6, and this is called the Outdoor Blanket. Perfect for gatherings, probably at the beach, or I would use this for the beach. If you could see that there. It's very bright. And I'm gonna show you a picture, because it has a handle, so you could like wrap it up, and this is what it looks like in there. See? First thing I see in here is from Levito, and this is one of my fave companies that actually FabFitFun introduced me to, and this is their Renewal neck cream, which I'm dying to try. I've been using the night cream and the eye cream, and I use it only at night. And I switch it out, I think, twice a week to use the retinol, which at this point I'm still using the Glow Recipe avocado one. Just putting that out there. The next thing I got also from Levito is their okay, if I'm pronouncing this right, the Thera Intensive Skin Balm. I'm not sure what attracted me to this. I'm assuming it's because it's, you know, Levito, all natural ingredients, and I just simply wanted to try it. So what does this have? Lavender, tea tree, and black cumin seed. Okay. And this is the jar. It's jar as in glass. Oh, and it has a seal. But for a moment I smell black pepper. I don't know why. Hold on. There's a definite scent. For a moment I thought I smelled maybe eucalyptus. It has a very rustic, unique smell. And again, this has lavender, tea tree, so maybe it's the tea tree, and black cumin seed. It's a skin balm, so I'm assuming it's to soothe and nourish. Yeah. Revive, nourish, protect. It's a cute little thing, and it feels like a balm. Yeah. It's not creamy. It's definitely a skin balm. Wow, this is something. A Bluetooth speaker. Maybe I could use this in the bath. Well, not in the bath, but you know what I mean. Just have something in the bath with me. It looks like it's been opened. Do you see that in here in the bottom? Look. Uh-huh. Interesting. String. Instructions. Very interesting. And this is what it looks like. It's like a little mini speaker. This is the Way Scalp Massager. And this is the Detox Shampoo. What? Yes. Okay. I cannot rave enough about their leave-in conditioner. That is the bomb. All right, the next product I have in here is from Living Proof, and this is their Perfect Hair Dry Shampoo. Sasha Juan Curl Shampoo and Conditioner Travel Duo. This is cute. I'm still smelling the Living Proof in the air. That stuff is awesome. That and she's Shine Infusion spray. Oh, delicious. So these are the two bottles here from Sasha Juan. I've never heard of this brand. If you have, let me know in the comments below. It looks serious though. Packaging looks clean. Yeah. Professional hair care. Ooh. All right, it's already intriguing me. I just want to smell it though. Let's see. Oh, these aren't sealed, but I just caught a whiff of something of my childhood. It smells like, it smells rustic, but good. You know what I mean? I gotta see what the ingredients are. And seeing these bottles, it's either a guess of, since I've never heard of the brand and it's professional grade, I'm assuming that this is not an inexpensive brand, but I do. And this is from Christopher Robin. This is the Mask Fondant Hydrant. I'm assuming it's something that moisturizes, and it's maybe it's a hair mask? Hydrating melting mask with aloe vera. Ooh. Oh, it's for hair. I was right. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this box. I'm so glad that I was able to pick and choose some extra things that I have wanted. So I'm really giddy about this box, especially now that it's more heavily focused with hair and skincare, especially for the summer, because I'm gonna need all the help I can get with the humidity, because it's been really warm here lately in New York City. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think? And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching me open my unboxing of my FabFitFun for the summer. I'm so excited to dive in, and I hope to see you on my next video adventure. Take care, stay safe.